Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to properly put the jack back in your Chevy Silverado. First, you need to locate the storage area. The jack is usually found under the rear passenger seat. Simply lift the seat cushion to access the compartment. You will see a metal bracket and the jack assembly, along with other tools like the lug wrench. Knowing its exact spot is the first crucial step for secure storage. Before returning the jack to its storage spot, it is essential to prepare it correctly. Make sure the jack is fully retracted or collapsed. This ensures it will fit properly into its designated bracket. Gather all the components, such as the jack handle and any wheel chocks. A complete and compact assembly prevents rattling and ensures everything is ready for future use. Now, let's secure the jack. First, align one side of the jack's base with the small teeth or slots on the metal bracket. Slide the jack into the bracket, ensuring it engages properly. Then, you will need to extend the jack slightly by turning its knob clockwise. This action creates tension against the bracket, holding the jack firmly in place and preventing any movement while driving. After placing the jack, perform a few final checks. Ensure any retaining knobs or wing nuts are tightened securely. Give the jack a gentle push and pull to confirm it is stable and won't rattle during travel. Finally, store any other tools, such as the lug wrench and extension bars, in their proper places. A well-secured jack means peace of mind on the road, ready for when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.